Hi there. I'm here with another lesser known feature in ProBench, and that's called as response history. So, normally there are scenarios where you want to see where, like, how the responses for that particular indicator has been changed over time. Okay, during the whole cycle, like starting from the assessment to the review and then the final review as well. So each question in ProBench has, or each indicator in ProBench has this icon here, which is called as an history icon. So when you click on that icon, there will be a pop-up open, and both the pop-ups would basically there are three tabs in the pop-up. As the name suggests, there's a response, there's the current response. So it would show you like on what date what was the response and when it was changed. So, and this tick means that it's the current response that is there on the system, and this was the previous response. You can also like click on apply response to kind of apply the older response again to the indicator. So even that is available on a single click. Then there is another tab called as all company responses. So in this, you will be able to kind of see like what is the responses for the other companies in the benchmark for the same indicator. So this normally helps analysts to kind of go and like to compare the companies. Like if a particular company say is doing X, then because the current company that I'm assessing is the same, then it would kind of they would know what to respond or what to select. So that way it's very helpful for the analyst or assessors to kind of see what other companies. Obviously this is not available to the companies to see. This tab is hidden for them, but it is mainly for the analyst and assessors or administrators, so to say. uh, then the last tab is the last year's response. So it will show you what was selected for this indicator by this company in the last previous year, whenever they responded. So that's how the whole history of that particular indicator is been displayed in a single pop-up. So some of the use cases, as I already like covered couple of them, as more than one users, maybe like there is a need within the company itself or between the analyst or assessors to know like uh, who answered what to a particular indicator, in case they are changing something or they kind of do not agree to that or find any discrepancies with the response. Then the whole history or maybe I can also say it's kind of an audit trail. Okay, to kind of audit like who responded to, so it gives a transparency to it. As more analysts and assessing at the same time, it needs to know which analyst responded for what. That's what I just mentioned. In case the analyst want to see what they or other analysts have responded to an indicator for the similar company previously, or similar company, they would also able to see through the middle tab, and finally they can also see the previous year response. So those are some of the use cases if they want to see. And benefits are transparency, as I said, like because it's kind of an audit trail, it gives a complete transparency on who is changing what. Even if another administrator has changed something, then you would come to know, and maybe you can get in touch with that analyst or administrator. Time saving is because you do not have to go to each of the companies to see the data, or see what they've responded to an indicator, and then decide. So everything would be on the same page. Also, you will not have to go to like the previous year's survey and see what they responded to that indicator. So it's useful in that sense as well. So it saves a lot of time. And one stop history, so you can see all the history of that indicator at one place, a single dialog, instead of looking out for details at multiple places. So hope uh, this feature like you find this feature helpful, and now you come to know about this feature. Any questions on this feature, please get in contact with us using support at 73bit.com, or contact with me at Gautam at 73bit.com. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye bye.